Again, don't take the address tangani. Biamona so kongani baga di kwana because I've been wanting to talk. Na sabi di baga kunachi take 1 hour away. Bakina machoga ambate din kwane. Lakini bono obuya kosobobe nkinga kitingo so kantara kwana. We kabanga di baga. Bono they have struggled to give me a chance to talk. Yang address and take mo Majani. Na tebete yesterday as my gatwarenge wa Dr. Andrew Maobi uyodenge opponent yane na tebete yesterday ga ekroge ke kyobo gabana kya kisi county nta address mwana ro kyobo gabana ongwa yoge sariri bono unaba ke tutu ndo sogete igo to take to ekroge ke to baro seli buya ekroge ke be buya to me ko ba no wait no to te ko ba chichabu. We want to fix it to make up habuya. Ekine gente tangani. Gatika. Bono, omoyega torege gando tore omoyega job Nyangenya Bwomanga. Ja baba. Ona agwe tingrigo. Gagwe tingri 2006. Gagwe tingri nongwai. Oyega bana bona ega. 2006 in kwenda 2007. Gagwe tingri na toke barot. Ikobono amakanaya okunya ku experience nke naisa neire ana bagetutumba ante ngaki naisa neire because narabiri ama ngibako ama koli. What I'm trying to say, Lydia, Job, you have done a good job. Ito inate bagay ka banto bandi nawotora evento ri sugurangia gose banto batuanjeti Osengi, oboga minya sao kwa. Na bono. When your time comes, una wana mwa oje nyangene ko win. Mukamo support and kiata ke komi. Mugati ko Onkangi, mukamotike Onkangi di koli mega ko nyakona ya makoli. Lakini ngakio met, Onkangi ne ojete ballot. Nyangene jeti ballot. Lakini ngaki. What I'm trying to say ngaki ekia baba. Ekia baba abantu abojega basani bawo nabago supported. They like you because you know what, you are the only person itinarangiri bantu batembu yamono mwa supported bale basini abana basini madabana abange abasini bali ban supported nabarangiri ko batembu ki na Davin omoyanga nogoko nambu yamono asengenjo. You did a very good job. You cooked for people. Karangiria abantu okaruga endagara yao abantu bagacha okaragera abasintu arenge go tongi no arenge nyangenya no arenge nyangate tarakwana akino arenge abantu baminto ka Garlington bakange mbodi Gideon no kwarenge tata aga abantu banganjite again don't ten kwane ndakamo. And I'm finishing. I'm not gonna bore you guys. Machoge mwangere challenge ngongusana because you have supported one of your own. You have stood with Job Nyangenya Bwomanga. I wish abagetutumbare ngeke baidi atani bange. I wish. Lakini nimboro nikoroje baba. Heb. Thank you so much because you have stood with me. No kansete abuna Derek kana chita America ye kana chite twarenge waile mate bono kwa wero muirione. I recognize you and I appreciate you because you are one of guys who appreciate it because you are there na baba ngabange enge njongo kwana ngaki morosa na Job Nyangenya Bwomanga. Because you know what? Diaspora has to stand with diaspora. I can't think you Kenya. Bantu bariba Kenya mbata kite ba diaspora. They mbata ebi mo we wona ga. Mbanje dia ba diaspora. They don't like. No wait. Na moko enda ya man mo sag you put jang baba anjeti because I'm telling you this. Onye ba nganjete engakine yeba te ko ngajikura. Ngakelo ngwaya go moke ongobo. Ngaki yungu anga bange jikura. Lakini bono onye mogo koba na Nyangenya Bwomanga as diaspora moyo, and you are not going to help yourself because onye mogo support one of your own. I'm sorry to tell you this. One again, advice and you have to pay me, but because I want to onye chikura cha Kenya onye go teto go jira. It has taken me long to learn this, but I'm giving this as a secret. I know I'm on camera. I hope you this before you transmit it to the Fred Amis Live. Chikura cha Kenya. I know manyete buja kabisa mugaka. I've been to your place now and I think a campaign Nyacheki. I know your place. Na ganda think a campaign, but I did. I know any matter. I was campaigning for one of my person, Nyacheki. I went to say no, Ninroje, Buya. I campaign all over. Because I'm taking so much time. Onye mogo konya oyo moino. Oyore job. Oyore mangerere. Gitoi. Onkangi. Kenden keyo Kenya muranyore. Because abantu ba Kenya mbatu anjeti as the diaspora. Bako mori ngaki Onkangi ayenkwa etwe visa kaname kana wajibesa. What are you coming to ask? Dinkola mwana yu.